Hey, and welcome to Monday. Your learning targets for today is you can review Iran's history and you can evaluate the pros and cons of America's early relationship with Iran. For the directions for the day, you got to complete the warm up for your attendance and then make sure you finish your Iran comic activity. I will note here and later on that you need to go back to your assignment on Thursday of last week back into Cami, or if you took the paper copy home, just make sure that you finish that and you have it ready for us on Tuesday. After that, the last thing you need to do is complete the Iran history review. So, if you look it over, you have your warm up. Your warm up is based off of the comic activity reading. Do you think America's actions in Iran were good or bad? Explain. And if you think there's a combination of these things, just go ahead and type that out. Look through your directions as always, and then make sure, well, let's be real, I gotta put that back up there, my bad. But then the last thing you need to do is the Iran history review. There is 10 multiple choice questions. My best advice to you is to pull up your comic activity online, or if you have the paper in front of you, just have it there. Make it way easier on yourself. Read through them as you answer the questions. The point of it is not to try to catch you not knowing, but we want to make sure that you do know those things. So using your materials is 100% okay.